Hello everyone. Now today we are going to be doing exercise 4 of chapter 3. Now exercise 4 of chapter 3 says, during each summer, John and Jessica grow vegetables in their backyard and buy seeds and fertilizer from a local nursery. The nursery carries different types of vegetable fertilizer in various bag sizes. When buying a particular fertilizer, they want to know the price of the fertilizer per pound and the cost of fertilizing each square foot. The following program, the program right here, prompts the user to enter the size of the fertilizer bag in pounds, the cost of the bag, and the area in square feet that can be covered by the bag. The program should output the desired result. However, the program contains some logic errors. Find and correct the logic errors so that the program works properly. Now, the first thing we should do when trying to find logic errors is run the program. Now let's say I have like 10 pounds of fertilizer in one bag, and this thing costs me $100, and it can only cover 100 square feet. Now it says the cost of the fertilizer per pound is 10 cents. The cost of fertilizing per square foot is $1. Now let's run it again. Let's see if it produces different results. So let's say this has 1 and it costs $10, and it also can cover only 10 square feet. Now if you look at it, the cost of fertilizing per pound is 10 cents, so it stays the same. But if I look at it, it's 1 divided by 10, right? And here it's 10 divided by 10, or it's just 1 divided by 0.1. Now the only thing is that shouldn't it be 10 divided by 1? Let's take a look at that. It should be actually cost divided by area, and cost divided by bag size. Now if I run it once again, 1, 10, 10, it gives me what I think is the correct answer. The cost of the fertilizer per pound is $10, which you can see, and the fertilizing per square foot is $1, which you can also see. Now, the thing is that as shown by this program, logic errors can be so minuscule that it takes many times to look over and through it just to see what the problem is. As you can see, just a mix-up between these two variables made the entire program not work. So you should always look for that in logic errors. Now remember this, logic errors are not told to you by the program. You only know that something wrong is happening, and you only know that something wrong is going on because you looked at the results. You should always check every single little thing. You should always check the top all the way, the tippy top up here, to the header files and even go all the way down here to the bottom bracket. You should always look from those two places because you never know where those errors can occur. Now, I hope you learned something, and I hope you understood what I mean in this video, and I hope you guys have a fun time, actually have a good time correcting logic errors and not having a bad time, because getting frustrated makes it really hard to correct your own logic errors. So I hope you have a good time, and bye.